India, with its myriad cultures, rich traditions, and kaleidoscopic diversity, presents a dynamic tapestry of life. Among the many distinctive elements that contribute to the country's unique identity, the constant chorus of honking horns on its bustling streets stands out as a peculiar, ubiquitous feature. Beyond the apparent chaos and seemingly haphazard symphony of sounds, there lies a deeper narrative, one that intertwines cultural, social, and psychological threads, weaving together the story of why Indians honk so much. And this is the Symphony of Honks. In the complex and diverse landscape of Indian traffic, honking serves as more than just an audible expression of frustration. It functions as a vital means of communication on the road, where chaos often reigns supreme. The language of honking is universal, transcending linguistic barriers. Drivers employ different honk patterns to convey a variety of messages, from signaling turns and expressing urgency to warning others of their presence. In a country with hundreds of languages and dialects, honking becomes a shared code that facilitates the intricate dance of traffic. India's roads are notorious for their lack of adherence to traffic rules, with vehicles weaving through the streets in an intricate ballet that appears chaotic to outsiders. Honking becomes a survival instinct in such an environment, a way for drivers to assert their presence and communicate their intentions amid the seeming disorder. The constant symphony of honks serves as a reminder of the chaos that exists within the organized disorder of Indian traffic. In cities grappling with congestion and perpetual traffic jams, honking becomes a release valve for the collective frustration and impatience of commuters. The blaring horns serve as a communal voice, expressing the shared exasperation of individuals stuck in gridlock. It is not merely an audible expression of annoyance, but a tangible manifestation of the challenges faced by those navigating the congested arteries of urban India. In some instances, honking has evolved beyond being a necessity and transformed into an ingrained cultural habit. Generations of drivers have grown up in an environment where honking is the norm, passed down from one cohort to the next. Breaking away from this ingrained habit is challenging, perpetuating the prevalence of honking as a default behavior across different regions and demographic groups. India's high population density and diverse mix of road users make safety a paramount concern. Honking, in this context, is perceived as a proactive safety measure. Drivers use their horns to alert pedestrians, cyclists, and fellow motorists to their presence, especially in blind spots or densely populated areas. The constant honking serves as a precautionary chorus, a collective effort to prevent accidents and ensure that everyone on the road remains vigilant. The psychological aspect of honking as a safety measure cannot be understated. In a country where traffic can be unpredictable and road conditions vary widely, honking provides a sense of security, a way for drivers to feel in control and be reassured that others are aware of their presence. While the cultural significance of honking remains deeply embedded in Indian society, the government has recognized the adverse effects of noise pollution and has implemented various measures to address this concern. Recognizing the need for safety, the government is exploring technological solutions to reduce noise pollution. Intelligent traffic management systems optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion, and consequently, smart sensors and surveillance technology allow authorities to monitor noise levels in real time and take prompt action against violators. To reduce overall vehicular density on the roads, the government is promoting alternative modes of transportation. Improved public transportation Cycling lanes and pedestrian-friendly zones provide viable alternatives to private vehicle use. By reducing the number of vehicles on the road, these measures contribute to a quieter and more peaceful urban environment. In the grand tapestry of India's cultural landscape, the symphony of honks on its roads emerges as a unique and enduring motif. While it may initially appear chaotic and perplexing to outsiders, the honking culture is deeply rooted in the challenges of navigating through crowded streets, diverse linguistic realms, and a general lack of strict adherence to traffic norms. As India continues to evolve economically, socially, and technologically, efforts to address the issue of incessant honking are gaining momentum. Government measures, ranging from strict enforcement of noise pollution regulations to the promotion of alternative transportation, indicate a commitment to creating a more harmonious and sustainable urban environment. The symphony of honks, with all its cacophony, remains an integral part of the dynamic and ever-evolving traffic landscape in India. As the country strives for progress, finding a harmonious balance between tradition and modernity, and between the need for communication and the desire for a quieter environment, will be key to reshaping the auditory experience of its streets. Until then, the honking horns will continue to echo through the vibrant tapestry of Indian life, a testament to the complexities and uniqueness of this diverse and spirited nation.